To kickstart an amazing day, nothing beats a refreshing smoothie. After thorough market research, comparison, and testing, we've curated the top portable blenders for you. If you're interested in these blenders, you can find the links in the description. So, let's discover which blender is the perfect fit for you. The first on our list is the Ninja Blast. Get ready to revolutionize your on-the-go blending experience with the Ninja Blast portable blender. This compact dynamo is your ticket to perfectly smooth drinks anytime, anywhere. This blender is all about power and convenience. Picture this: you're on the move, and the Ninja Blast is by your side, ready to blast through frozen ingredients with its impressive portable blending power. With a capacity of up to 18 ounce, it's the ideal companion for those who crave generous servings of their favorite blends. Express your style with a range of premium colors to choose from. The easy-to-carry design, complete with a comfortable, hinged carry handle, ensures that your drink is always within arm's reach, no matter where you're headed. There is no need to juggle multiple containers. The easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink from the same vessel. Cleanup is a breeze as the lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. And here's a game changer. The blender can even self-clean with a 30-second blend cycle using water and a drop of dish soap. The Ninja Blast technology takes your blending experience to the next level. The ribbed vessel creates a vortex, and the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly powers through ice and frozen ingredients, ensuring your smoothies are consistently velvety. What sets this blender apart is its user-friendly design. Separate power and blend buttons provide you with precise control, eliminating the risk of unintentional blending. And say goodbye to cords. The rechargeable power base operates at 7.4 volts, delivering power and speed without a cord, and it's USB-C compatible for added convenience. The second on our list is the Hamilton Beach. This blender lets you whip up fruit smoothies, shakes, and your favorite icy drinks directly in the 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar. The personal blender jar comes with a convenient travel lid, doubling as a to-go cup. It's lightweight and designed to fit most car cup holders, making it the ideal choice for those who are always on the move. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Hamilton Beach Blender packs a punch. Its durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens, ensuring consistently smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients to your diet through delicious smoothies and protein shakes. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleanup. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, making the post-blending cleanup a breeze. Convenience at its finest. The personal blender jar's small size makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorms, and apartments. The compact base, accompanied by a 24-inch cord, ensures that it easily fits into your daily routine wherever you are. Simplicity meets efficiency with the easy one-touch blending feature. Quickly prepare a variety of icy drinks by just pressing the button. It's that easy. This Hamilton Beach Blender is sure to become your go-to appliance for shakes and smoothies. The stainless steel blades guarantee ice-crushing power for consistently smooth results. Whether you're starting your day with a protein-packed smoothie or winding down in the evening with a refreshing frozen treat, cleanup is a snap as the blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe. The compact design of this blender makes it perfect for various settings, from the home and office to travel, small dorms, and apartments. The durable and BPA-free blending jar features measuring lines on the front, eliminating the need for extra measuring cups or guesswork. If you're enjoying the video so far, why not hit that subscribe button for more insightful tech reviews like this? We would greatly appreciate it, and your support motivates us to create more content like this. So, let's move on. The next on our list is the Omniverse. Equipped with 6 pieces of 304 stainless steel blades and a powerful 150-watt rated motor, this blender means business. With a blade speed reaching up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, a double click is all it takes to start blending. In just 40 seconds, you can effortlessly crush fruits or ice cubes, crafting a cup of fresh juice. protein shakes or smoothies with a delicate taste, witness the future of charging with the novel magnetic charging interface. More waterproof than the typical Type-C port, it features a built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery. A full charge, achieved in 2 to 3 hours via a computer or USB power source, empowers the blender to make up to 20 cups of juice when you need it. Adaptability is the key, and the Omniverse blender embraces it. Detachable and with a 16-ounce capacity, this personal-size blender meets your daily drinking needs. Check the remaining battery level with a simple click of the power button. The hidden carry handle makes it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're at the gym, traveling, camping, or engaging in outdoor activities. Safety takes center stage with the built-in magnetic induction protection function. If the cup is not tightened or is removed, the blender won't operate properly. Red-blue lights flash as a reminder, preventing accidental blade activation and ensuring accidents are kept at bay. Concerned about the environment? The Omniverse portable juicer blender is crafted from PCTG food-grade material, making it healthy and environmentally friendly. The fourth on our list is the Vosa. This sleek and powerful blender is designed to make your blending experience effortless and enjoyable. At the heart of this blender lies a robust 270-watt motor, complete with 6 sharp stainless steel blades. Operating with a low working noise and a rotational speed of up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly crushes ice cubes, frozen fruits, and vegetables, delivering a nutritious smoothie or milkshake in just 30 seconds. Adaptability meets convenience with the detachable 20-ounce BPA-free cup. Easily replace it with a travel bottom cover for on-the-go use. Cleaning is a breeze as the personal-sized blender can be disassembled into 3 parts: lid, coupe jar, blender base. We've got your cleaning needs covered with included tools like a straw brush, coupe brush, and blade cleaning cloth. Experience versatility with dual modes. The blending mode is perfect for soft foods like strawberries, bananas, and kiwis, automatically stopping after 30 seconds. Pulse mode is ideal for frozen fruits, jams, ice cubes, and harder ingredients. A double click activates pulse mode, indicated by a flashing yellow light, allowing you to control the blending time freely. Charging is a breeze with the Type-C charging interface and the built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery. The 12 LED lights display the battery status, with more green lights indicating a higher battery level. Safety is a priority. If the cup and base aren't tightened, a red light flashes to signal that the blender cannot be started. Not only does the Vosa portable juicer blender pack a punch in performance, but it's also a stylish gift with diamond-cut textures on the cup body. The last on our list is the Vosa. In the world of portable blenders, the Vosa stands out with its unique 2-in-1 design, combining functionality and convenience for those who crave fresh smoothies anytime, anywhere. The Vosa boasts a lid with a directly drinking function, allowing you to enjoy your drink directly through the mouth on the bottle cap. Alternatively, pop in the included silicone straw for a more traditional sipping experience. No need for an extra cup. It's all about simplicity and ease. Equipped with 6 pieces of blades in 3D, the Vosa's rotation speed reaches an impressive 22,000 revolutions per minute. This portable blender effortlessly liquidizes anything, including small ice cubes, in no time. The built-in rechargeable 4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides ample power, squeezing out 20 to 25 cups of juice on a full charge. Perfect for shakes, smoothies, protein shakes, salad dressings, and more. Safety is a top priority with the Vosa. The blender body is crafted from Triton material, the same material used in baby bottles. The built-in mechanical safety device ensures proper assembly, and the device comes with 100% overcharge and overheat protection for batteries, extending their life. Users can enjoy blending with confidence. Designed for those on the move, the Vosa is compact and easy to carry. With one button blending and cleaning, maintaining your blender is a breeze. The portable blender cup is detachable and easy to flush, making it an ideal companion for the office, gym, outdoors, traveling, camping, or fishing. The Vosa isn't just about functionality, it's a style statement. Thanks to meticulous design, premium materials, and trendy elements, this portable blender has received high praise for its style and color choices. So, that wraps up our top portable blenders. If you found the right portable blender, let us know in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Stay refreshed, and until next time.